Welcome to the series Master EComposer Elements. Today's video will show you in detail how to create a collapsible product description accordion in your Shopify store. Using a product accordion is a great way to add character to your product pages while also making them more user-friendly. Want to quickly create a collapsible accordion for your product descriptions on Shopify? This video has a great solution for you. Please watch the full video to learn how to create a product accordion easily using EComposer. First, go to the Shopify dashboard, select App, and open EComposer Page Builder. In case you haven't installed the app, you can find the link to EComposer on Shopify App Store in this video description. Product accordions are usually placed on product pages, so I'll add it to my existing product page. You can also create a new product page by clicking Start Building button here and take advantage of EComposer's unlimited template library. Welcome to EComposer Editor. Now, locate where you want to place the product accordion element, then drag and drop it. Okay, this is the display of the product accordion element when added to the EComposer editor. EComposer provides you with a product accordion preset library here. Preset is a feature available in almost elements of EComposer. It is simply pre-built elements with stunning style and appearance. Details about element preset you can see in the element preset video here. With the product accordion element, you will be provided with many templates to help make creating your product accordion simpler than ever. To use a product accordion preset, select a template and click the Use Full Preset button here. If you don't want to use it anymore, just click that button again. Now, we will configure product accordion element. The Content tab is divided into two parts, Items and General. For each item, EComposer provides you with different editing options. You can enter any content here to change the title of your accordion, and you can also change the HTML tags for them. Next, you can add a small illustration next to your title to make your accordion more vivid. There are two options for illustration, icon or image. When you choose icon, you can upload your favorite icon yourself or find a suitable icon in EComposer's available icon collection. Same with image, you can upload the image you want here, or find a suitable image in EComposer's unlimited free image collection. Moreover, you can easily adjust the position of each item by dragging and dropping. You can also delete or duplicate any item by clicking on the icons here. Do you wonder how to configure the content inside each item? This is one of the outstanding features of EComposer because you can easily add any reasonable elements for content inside. This means that in the EComposer element category, you can drag and drop any suitable element into the product accordion and edit them as usual. For example, as you can see, here I am using product description element to show description for my product in this items. Now, to make it more vivid, I will add a button here. I just go to the element category and find the button. Then, I drag and drop it to the exact position I want. Now, I can do everything including edit the content, design of this button without affecting the original settings of the product accordion element. This is the function that themes cannot do. The second section in the Content tab is General. All the general settings for your product accordion are in this section. General provides the effects options that make your accordion more dynamic. To enable these effects, simply check the box you want here and adjust the speed accordingly by dragging and dropping this bar. You can also adjust the open and close icons of the product accordion. Icon allows you to select icon for tab title in an active mode. Icon Active allows you to select icon of accordion title in active mode, and you can change the position of these icons to left or right at icon position. Now, we will go to the Design tab. The Design tab includes 6 parts. With box title, you can set left, right, center alignment for accordion titles or freely change background, border, spacing for heading in normal, hover, and active modes. The Icon tab allows you to customize the size, rotation, color, border, etc. of the icons here. With the title section, you can customize the font, color, or shadow options to suit your purpose. In case you add icons to the title of the item, you can edit them in the Title Icons section here. This also provides the same editing options as the Icon tab. If you use images for your items, you can edit width, max width, height, and image fit in the Image section. This section allows you to edit in both normal and hover states, and finally the Content section. The same as other elements, you can also change the background, box shadow, border, border radius, and spacing for the content inside here. I have completed my product accordion. How do you feel? To finish editing, I need to select Save and publish this page. Alright, I have successfully added a product accordion element to my product page. Let's check it out. That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join the EComposer community to get quick support and the latest updates. I'm putting the details in the description below. See you next time.